the shells.
I do, but you know, I don't mind. Come on over, get your shoes on.
I'll get them. Just stay there. I'll put them on.
Oh, you have them.
Yeah, otherwise it's a big thing.
Where's your brother?
Shelves for right now, please.
He's downstairs.
Yeah, please.
Zach, come up here, buddy.
Focus with me.
You got your shoes on?
Focus.
I do too.
Ooh. Oh, that's neat. Your rental car looks like my car.
Yeah.
It does a little bit.
Yeah.
Hey guys, did you see Aunt Rhonda's new wheels?
Aunt Rhonda got a new car.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
There's some ignition part. Isn't that cool?
Ooh.
Look at that. She's even got her license plates on it now.
Yeah, but not on the green car.
Wait a minute, there's no plates on this one.
There's one on the one.
What's she gonna do with this car now?
Oh. No license.
What should I do with this car? I'm not really sure what to do with
Sell
it.
it to us.
That's a great idea.
Oh,
You're a genius.
from Mom's car.
Did you
That's
guys
so
like
sweet.
that? Yeah.
Well, Aunt Rhonda's gonna tell you what she's gonna do with this.
It's all yours.
Yes.
Did you hear that, Bumps?
What do you think?
What do you
Look.
think, Zach?
It's all Mom's.
That's Mommy's new car now. What do you think Monka thinks of that?
What do you think, Jakers? All those compartments you can load up? I just got a hug behind the scenes.
Take her hug to the back. Ow.
Are you guys excited?
So I think that your mom won't let you eat donuts in here like I did. She's not as cool, I don't think.
No, but
Yeah, they all know that. They all know that Aunt Rhonda's the coolest.
Yes. They're on that. I kept spilling on my feet. Oh, oh, back.
Jake, maybe you'll learn how to drive.
this is where Daddy will come to cry.
This is where
I love it.
Oh my gosh, how many can get back here?
I don't know, I think that Jake can fit too.
Oh
I
my
think the whole
gosh.
family could.
I think that if we took the other part, the whole family could get. Now I gotta take a. Now I have to